Hey, I'm Luke A. from PCT, and this is What's PCT Agcloud. So, what are prescriptions? In agriculture, a prescription refers to a data-driven digital map that can be uploaded to a machine to control the rate of an application. Prescriptions are one of, if not the most effective ways to get real-world value out of your agronomic data. Whether you are basing your prescriptions on soil data, yield, imagery, landscape, or a combination of different sources, the goal is always to maximize the efficiency and performance of the application. PCT Agcloud is the industry leader whenever it comes to prescription creation. Not only does PCT Agcloud offer various ways to create prescriptions, but it seamlessly connects every step of the prescription writing process, beginning with data import and cleaning, and ending with analysis and reporting. So let's begin by walking through the different tools that are available to Agcloud users. The simplest prescription tool in Agcloud is the Manual RX tool. This tool operates by selecting a layer, zoning it, and manually entering rates per zone. This process can be done for multiple products at a time if you're creating a multi-product prescription, or for multiple fields at a time. A big piece of improving your agronomic decision-making is the use of on-farm trials. The Manual RX tool makes it easy to plan those trials and include them within your prescriptions. Trials can be created directly in the Manual RX tool, or can be created in a separate tool and selected as an intersecting layer to be included in the prescription. Next is the Formula RX tool. If you are interested in more complex prescriptions with the possibility of automation, the Formula RX tool fills that role. As the name suggests, the Formula RX tool builds prescriptions based on equations. The process starts in the formula builder, where users have complete freedom to build and tweak their own custom formulas or work off of common lab or university formulas. These formulas can be as simple as basic nutrient removal calculators, or can be very complex, referencing multiple layers, variables, and operators. There are AI tools built directly into the formula builder that can aid in the writing and editing of formulas or in the translating of formulas from other systems. Once the formulas are configured, they can generate prescriptions for multiple fields or farms at a time, or they can even be set up to run automatically. For instance, if an automated formula calls on a soil test layer, it will be triggered to run automatically whenever new soil data is imported to the account. This means your soil fertility plans will be ready to review and submit as soon as the data driving those rates is available, saving you precious time and effort during the busy application season. Once the prescription maps have been created in either the Manual or Formula RX tools, they can be downloaded as shapefiles, ISO XMLs, or sent on to an integration partner. Via the John Deere Operations Center integration, prescriptions can be sent to the Files page, directly to a machine, or attached to a work plan, all from Agcloud. And for data layers sent to Operations Center, such as yields, imagery, or soil data, the Manual RX or Formula RX tools can be available within Operations Center. This allows the Op Center user to create a prescription using PCT tools without the need for a PCT login. For Agworld users that have access to the PCT integration, prescriptions will flow from PCT to Agworld automatically. The prescriptions can then be attached to work orders and assigned to operators. The Manual RX tool is also available in Agworld on layers sent from PCT Agcloud. And finally, to ensure that record keeping and file naming is streamlined between all of your ag data platforms, the Op Center and Agworld product lists can be accessed within PCT Agcloud prescription tools. Or you can use the products page within Agcloud to create your own standardized list of products. So that's prescriptions in PCT Agcloud. When considering flexibility, automation, simplicity, and interoperability in the prescription writing process, no other system matches Agcloud. With Agcloud, you wield a wide range of highly capable prescription writing tools while refusing to compromise at any step of the process. To learn even more about prescription tools or other features within PCT Agcloud, take a look at our YouTube channel or visit us at pct.ag. To get into contact with us, go to the Contact Us page on our website or get in touch with one of our various dealers. Thanks for watching.